Oh, yesterday you drove to Atlanta for your acting class. I told you that I would go, but I have a habit of breaking promises. As soon as
feel like